हेलो गाइस, इस वीडियो में हम फाइंड करने वाले हैं यूनियन ऑफ टू एरेज। ठीक है, अब सबसे पहले हमने देखा इसमें कि हमने एरे का साइज ले लिया है, दैट इज इंट एन, और हमें इनपुट करवा लिया यूजर से। उसके बाद हमने दो एरेज डिफाइन किए, इंट ए ऑफ एन एंड बी ऑफ एन, साइज है। एंड ऑल्सो वी आर टेकिंग द इनपुट्स ऑफ द एरे फ्रॉम द यूजर एंड वी हैव इम्प्लीमेंटेड दिस फॉर लूप्स for int i equals to 0 to n, and we are taking inputs from users, that is c in a of I, and similarly for array b. Now we have to find the union of two arrays, so let's make a map, right? And value and key value pair is of type int and m is the variable name, and also we are implementing the iterator for this map. So similarly int comma int iterator, and let's make the name itr, and we are also counting the frequency of each element in the hash map. So m of a of I plus plus, right? And similarly for the array b, we are counting the frequency for each element. Just we have to change the array name b, right? Now what we have to do, we just have to iterate the hash map from 0 to, or let's say from begin to end, and the elements whose frequency is greater than 0, we have to just print it, right? Or you can say we can count it also, but we are printing here. So for int, not int, we are iterating the hash map, so we have to use iterator. M dot begin itr not equals to m dot end itr plus plus. If we are checking the condition, if m of if iterator second, there is a key and value pair, right? So key is the frequency, key is the index numbers, and value is the frequency count of the elements of the both the arrays. So if iterator second, that is the value, or you can say the frequency count is greater than 0, and just you have to see out the element, that is key element, that is iterator first. You can use some space, and that's all, and it's complete. I think completed. So let's run this program. So it is asking for the size. Let's say I'm giving the size 10, right? And for the first array, inputs are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and for the second array I am repeating some elements, that is 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12 13 14. These are the 10 elements. So only what will be the union of this? Union will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 12 13 14, right? Let's say what is the output. So output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we got the union of these two arrays. And if I talk about the time complexity, so time complexity is order of n, that is the optimized solution for this question, right? We have implemented only a for loop, single for loop, and these all for loops are independent. So order of n plus order of n plus order of n, that is overall order of n time complexity. And it is commonly asked in interview question or coding interview rounds of company placements. So thank you guys, Ghisna रहिए, and see you in next video. Bye bye.